Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Wellness Bites, and today I'll show you a simple but powerful home remedy for a natural glowing skin using just 3 ingredients: lemon, honey, and aloe vera. Let's dive right into it. Many skincare products are packed with chemicals, but natural ingredients have been used for centuries. They are gentle, effective, and often already available in your kitchen. Honey is a natural moisturizer. It locks in hydration. It soothes irritated skin and has antibacterial properties that helps fight acne perfectly on the skin. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It brightens the skin, it fades out dark spots, and helps even out the skin tone. But remember, it should always be diluted to prevent irritation on the skin. Aloe vera is nature's skin healer. It cools the skin, it reduces redness, it helps with scars and blemishes, and together these 3 ingredients create a perfect glow boosting mask which you are looking for. To prepare the mask, you need 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this well until you get a smooth paste. Apply this on your face for 15 minutes, and after that you wash with water. To get the best results from using this mask on your face, remember, consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty tips and wellness tips like this. Bye.